Well, sixth graders, it's our last week of distance learning and your last week of sixth grade. I'm so proud of you guys. You've done awesome during this challenging time. And I'm really looking forward to getting visits from you when I see you around town or next fall. Okay. So we have one more week this week. The stuff that you're doing this week is more just to kind of close out the year. It's not going into the grade book unless you choose to do the extra credit activity, but I am going to ask that you do the things that are listed on here that I'm going to go through right now just so that we can kind of get some closure to the year, okay? So the first thing is on Monday, and this can kind of be throughout the whole week, but there's a engineering challenge. This is going to be extra credit. I'd like you to submit it by Thursday. I have to post grades Friday, so if it's not in there by Thursday, you won't receive any extra credit for it. So what this is you can click on this challenge cards link. And it's kind of fun. There's just a bunch of different engineering challenges that you can do. They don't take a lot of materials and they're not super complex. So you can kind of look through those and do one of those if you would like. All right. If you want to save this link or save the site onto your Chromebook, you can do more of them throughout the summer if you choose to do that just for fun. So if you do one of those, I am going to ask, if you want to get the extra credit for it, that you click on this Flipgrid and you explain what you did. So what the activity was you did, and then also what's the science behind it. And it explains in that, in this link right here, it explains the science in there. So as long as you read through it, you should be okay. All right. And so I'll give you maybe 5 extra credit points for each one of those that you can only do 1, but you can get up to 5 extra credit points for doing that. Okay. So just make a Flipgrid if you choose to. All late work, missing work, everything is due by Tuesday at the end of the day, okay? As I said, I have to get grades posted in, so I want to be able to update things throughout the week, okay? So Tuesday at the end of the day. On Tuesday, I just have a discussion post for you, so it's what is one important lesson that you learned this year? And if you click on this link, it will bring you to that post, and you just type it in. It can be something that you learned at school or something outside of school. I think that all of us have learned some really big life lessons this year, and so that's fine if it's something that you've learned just in general, okay? Wednesday, we're going to do a live meet, and I will send out emails to you, so watch your email probably on Monday. I'll send that out with the time and the link for that. I would like everyone to show up to that meet just so we can say goodbye and have a little bit of closure and whatnot. I haven't decided exactly what we're going to do during that meet, but I will let you know when I send that email on Monday, okay? So the times would be, I think, second hour would be 9:30, third hour would be 10, fifth hour would be 1:30, and sixth hour would be 2 o'clock, okay? So look for that email Monday. And then on Thursday, the last thing is to just record on this Flipgrid. And what this is what advice would you give to the incoming sixth graders about our class, so about science class, or about middle school in general? So one good piece of advice that you would like to share with those incoming sixth graders, okay? So kind of a easy week to slide off into summer. Please try to attend the live meet on Wednesday. I would love to see your face before summer starts. And yeah, let me know if you have questions. I'll be around to answer questions from my link here, or you can email me. We can also set up private links if anyone needs to chat about anything. All right, so have a great last week of school. Bye.